around to say hello. I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you this question. All the statements that are made by our political leaders in the opposition keep running on Pakistan TV on a loop. Now, is this something that they are doing and it is their right and it is the proper time to do it? Or are they giving a handle to Pakistan? Should they refrain from doing so? Or do you think asking questions is the right of the opposition parties and right now is as good a time as any?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. It's a very important discussion. Thank you for having it. I want to make very brief points. Number one, there is absolutely no denying it. You have said it, Siddharth ji has said it, and by the way, my sincere condolences to Siddharth ji as the passing away of his father. It's terrible news. I'm so sorry about it. There is a time and place for demanding answers. Absolutely, one must demand answers. And when it comes to intelligence, failure or otherwise, that can save lives or that can result in many Indian lives lost, it has to be absolutely above board. It has to be totally political party agnostic. I am of that view. I have always been of that view. But having said that, there is a time and place for it. We, by all accounts, are eyeball to eyeball with our arch enemy, the terror state of Pakistan. Is this the right time to rake up an issue? Well, let's debate that, but above and beyond that, yes, there could be citizens demand a right and objective response to what happened. Yes, there could be an intelligence failure. As you rightly said, the Prime Minister and other people in the government had admitted so in the all-party meet. Yes, by all means. But look where the opposition is taking it. The opposition is saying above and beyond that, whether there was an intelligence failure or not, yes, the jury might be out and we must know the answers. Fact of the matter is the intelligence reports were sketchy. They were about Srinagar, not about this meadow. As far as the meadow is concerned, it was not that Prime Minister was informed of it and he refused to do it. Look how extrapolations happen. And this, I am afraid, is the crux of the problem. That in hatred for Modi, it has now transmogrified into hatred for India. And I want to ask my good friend Nikhil, by all accounts, Nikhil, we are in the same boat. We demand security for our country. So I want to ask you, and I'm sure you will be apolitical here. You've read the Ram Pradhan Committee of 2009 in the wake of 26/11. You've seen the CIA reports. You've seen the other intelligence reports that said there was a massive intelligence failure that directly led to 26/11. Even hotels were named. Even 3C route was named. Yes or no? Do you think there was an intelligence failure directly and Congress was responsible for the 26/11 attacks?
Yes or no, Nikhil?
Absolutely, Anand. I agree. Major intelligence failure. That is why the National Security Advisor and the Home Minister of the country at the time resigned within days. And yet, here in this situation, you do not have a public address or a press conference by the Prime Minister or the Home Minister or the National Security Advisor. Prime Minister Manmohan, I have given you your answer, Anand. I am clearly saying it was an intelligence failure of the Congress government. It's a blot on the government that they were running, but they held themselves accountable. That is what governments in a democracy do. They do mistakes, but they are to be held accountable, not like this government which believes that never ask us any questions. And Navika, again and again this point is raised by the BJP that what the opposition says, it's played in the Pakistani press. My friend, whatever anybody says is played in the Pakistani press or the Chinese press. We are living in a globalized world. Obviously, Pakistan will try to use whatever they can against our government.
Oh, so you want to provide them that fodder? You want to provide them that fodder so that they can use your comments to attack India. No, you just said that.
Any criticism of the Prime Minister by whoever could run on Pakistani television. Does it mean we should all keep mum? Navika, does it mean should we all keep mum and never criticize the democratic elected government?
I am not saying you should keep mum. I am saying, is there an opportune moment when you should talk? or is there this freewheeling, diatribe that keeps coming from the opposition, just like the Samajwadi Party chief today? Aapke leader Mulayam Singh Yadav has been the defense minister of this country. We are on the cusp of a war. And Akhilesh Yadav comes out and says, अरे बीजेपी क्या बना रही है, सुतली बॉम्ब भी बनाने के इनकी औकात नहीं है, अरे, और words to that effect.